Linking your bank account to Charles Schwab is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Charles Schwab account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and personal information. Step 3. Select Link a Bank Account. In the Account Settings menu, find the option that says Link a Bank Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Charles Schwab may require you to verify the account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made by Schwab into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Charles Schwab account. This will allow for easier transfers and management of your funds.